everybody. So it's about 5 o'clock here. It's Wednesday evening, and I'm gonna try to do some little bit of fishing here. So I've just got my little Shimano reel. This is a really small kind of lightweight kind of tackle Shimano rod here. It's an R1000, and then I've got this South Bend Eclipse collapsible pole. I've got just a bobber, some weights, and some night crawlers. So we're gonna see if we can catch anything here tonight.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box.
Got it. Alright, so yep, got some worms out there, finally got a fish, got a little bluegill, so I knew something was tapping at it and finally caught it. So yeah, first actual fish catch for NC Piedmont Outdoors. I'm at Lake Alma here, so that's awesome. So I'm gonna just pop this hook out of here, this guy's mouth, and then let him go back in. But yeah, not a bad little bluegill fish for today. Whoa, whoa, okay, let's get him back in the water. Let's get this guy back in the water. So again, not a bad little bluegill. So all right, so let's get a fresh worm on here and see if we can catch another one. Got the pole set up, we're ready to go. Let's try another cap. Alright, I seem to do, the sun came out, so it's a little bit brighter. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down there a little bit so I can stand in the shade and try off this tree over here. So let's take a walk over there and see what we see. Alright, threw a cast out here, out to the right over there. Caught this little bluegill right here. So second fish, Lake Alma. This has been great. I'm just gonna try to get this hook out of him right here and throw him back in the water as quickly as possible. Come on, buddy, get out. Let me get this hook out of you. There we go. Just a little bluegill. Come on, open up. There you go. Come on. There you go. There we go. Alright, good. Got the hook out. Oh, there he goes. He's flipping and flopping. Alright, there we go. There we go. Yep. So yeah, just another little bluegill right here. So I'm just gonna let him go back in the water, and he's out of here. Nice, second fish. All right, let's see if we can catch another one before we have to go back for dinner. I'll try again over here to the left, or to the right rather. And he hit that, as soon as almost the bait hit the water, he hit it. So I'm hoping there's another one out there and there's a bunch of schooled up.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.